Hey, what's up guys? Steven here with NorCal SPS. It's the beginning of October and we have a bunch of equipment in stock. We have a couple O'Reilly Hopkins 300s, 6-color 4-station in stock, ready to ship. Have a couple crated over here. So we have everything from 300 down to a single 1-1. Come with me, check it out. We also have the starter screen printing press. This is O'Reilly 250 1-color 1-station. We have some hobby kits available here. This is a 1-color 1-station. We have O'Reilly Hopkins 250. This is a 4-color 4-station. We also have this in a 6-color 4-station ready to ship, all crated up. And we also have some dryers in stock. We have the BBC Little Buddy here. Excellent unit for the price. This will cure about 100 shirts an hour. It is 120 volt. Great for garage or small startup shops. So check that out on our website as well. We also have a bunch of flash dryers in stock. We have 16 by 16 and 18 by 18 Afforda flashes. If you need a flash dryer, hit us up. We have a bunch ready to go. So in addition to all the equipment that I just talked about, we also have a bunch of flash dryers in stock. We got the BBC Afforda flash. This is a 16 by 16 unit. We also carry it in an 18 by 18 unit. Both available on our website, norcalsps.com. And then if you have any questions, please give us a call, 916-534-8337. And thanks for watching the video. Peace.